Kelsey with SpraySmarter.com. Today we thought we would do a tour of our warehouse, showing you where everything is set up and kind of where everything's located and how it works. So follow us. So in our real busy season, this whole line will be filled up with packages that are ready to go, and this is where they box it, tape it, label it, all of that good stuff. So we do have a parts counter that local customers can come in and get their parts. Most of our orders are via email or over the phone, but we do have this parts counter that customers can come in and call this parts number. One of us will answer and come out here and help them. But this is just in the beginning, the entrance to the warehouse here. Okay, so this is where the orders come in. This is our SpraySmarter printer, and this is our Amazon printer, which is powered by SpraySmarter, our Amazon seller account. But anyway, so the way it's kind of set up is our Amazon orders go in here, LTL freight, USPS, UPS, and if you usually ship out same day if you get your order in before 3 p.m. They're pretty good about that. But this is our shipping area. We've got our shipping manager, Mark. Say hey. Hey. And then our bins are starting right here. So we've got them labeled AA, AB, AC, and so on. And the way that they're set up is most frequently picked and purchased items is in the front. So it'd be an AA, and then it just keeps trickling back. But we will walk down an aisle here to kind of show you. Got a lot going on in here. Kind of a big deal. But we'll go back into receiving, where there's not really much to talk about. It's kind of self-explanatory, I guess, but Chris is going to take over. So as you guys know, we are SpraySmarter, but we are also, this is ET Ag Center, and Chris is going to explain a few things about ET Ag Center.
So yeah, this building is what we call the ET Ag Center. We are doing more than just SpraySmarter in this building. We are fulfilling all of our SpraySmarter.com orders, but we also over here are doing Hardy pull type sprayer. All the parts for that machine, that pull type sprayer, are fulfilled out of here as well. So the guys back here in this little section this is all Hardy parts, Hardy pull type parts. So anything in the nation of the United States that is a Hardy part is fulfilled out of this ET Ag Center as well. And then also in this building we are also Apache sprayer parts fulfillment. So in here in Mooresville, Indiana, we are building the Hardy pull type sprayers, and we're also building the Apache self-propelled sprayers. So all parts for those sprayer lines are fulfilled out of here, including SpraySmarter.com. So lots going on here.
So this is our gym. We have a bunch of the Apache cabs in here right now, but we do keep a lot of overflow parts or storage. This is kind of our storage area for parts. It is also a basketball court because we are located in Indiana, and every gym or barn in Indiana has to have a basketball goal, you know. So we do keep a lot of extra parts in here, and we host a lot of meetings, dealer meetings or cookouts or pitch-ins, whatever we decide to do as a company. Obviously all this is cleared out when we do so. Yeah, so this is our engineering department doing some testing on the Apache sprayer right now, one of them that we've got.